Hello buddy, my name is Destiny and today I'll be showing you a way to fix the error at hooking API LoadstringA in Rainbow Six Siege. So pretty much the fix is quite simple and straightforward. So pretty much we'll be running a couple of commands and hopefully that should fix the issue. So let's see what are the commands that we'll use. So I've written down the commands that we need here. So pretty much the process is straightforward. Go to CMD, run as an administrator because it requires admin privileges, and now pretty much what you need to do is just run these commands one by one. So you can start off with the SFC scannow, so copy, right click, so you don't have to copy paste, so bam, and this will scan if there are any corrupt or misleading files in your system. Then a situation that can happen if you run the RestoreHealth command first, you might get an error 87, which you can fix by running these two commands first. So first go CheckHealth and ScanHealth, then the system will get checked, and then if there are any corrupt files, then run the RestoreHealth one and then it should work. And pretty much by running these commands it should fix the issue. Also a method that you can use, which is quite easy, you can actually just restart your PC. I know it sounds kinda crazy how it works, but for me it literally worked. I just restarted my PC and literally I ran Rainbow Six like usually, and it ran buttery smooth, everything. I was able to get in a game, everything ran perfect. Damn! So also if these commands don't work, just try restarting it and that might help. And yeah, boys and girls, have a nice day, subscribe and like for more, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace!